Hello everybody, it's Big Al. How's everybody doing? Like you can answer me right now, right? I have a challenge lock here. I recently got a package from the wonderful Lock Picking Patrolman, and this is one of his. It says on the ticket here, Lauren Order CLD, which I guess the CLD is for Challenge Lock Division. What it says. I'm guessing this is number 4, maybe. That's what I'm reading there. So I figured, you know what, this is one of his. I don't know that I've tried one of his yet, so let's give this a twirl, huh? Yeah, I got a bunch from the Lock Picking Patrolman and Bear's Back, and I still got bunches here, so I need to start getting some picked, uploaded, and sent back out. So, any hoodles. Alright, well, it's a little loose. I think that's the best I got. Maybe a little better. We'll roll with that. A little floppy, but alright, we good? Focus. Yep. Alright. Alright, going in. Just getting a feel. It feels like, I want to say it's pin 3. Got a click. Feels like pin 4. Counter rotation and a click. Pin 5. Oop, got a click, but I didn't get no. Okay, now I did. I think I set 5 because I got a little bit more of a turn. Coming back out, feeling around. Feels like right here in the front. I'm guessing pin 1, counter rotation, and a nice click. Feels like it's set. 2 feels okay. 3, I think I dropped 4. Okay, there went 4 again. I don't know if he's set or not. Feels like it. 5 still way up there. Coming back out. Huh, not feeling nothing. Maybe 2. Huh? 3, 4. Not sure. Okay, another little click on. I think that was 4. Might have just overset 5. Let's see. Whoops. 1. This is 3. 4. Okay, I had to let it drop. I had 5 overset, I think. I believe I let it drop back into place. Nice click on. I think that was 2. 3, 4. Click on 5. 4. 4, another click, another click. There we go. All right. I think it was 3 holding me up. Beautiful. All right. Let's see what's in this little sucker. Put up a pretty good little fight. To be honest with you, I wasn't expecting all that. But it is amazing what you can do with a well, it says what, Defiant. All right. Good over here. Good with the light. Good on the time. All right, we're good to go. Nice light, nice and bright. Key over there. I do have the key, so I'm gonna lock it back up. You can see it's very much open. Uh-oh. Okay. It's got a funky back on it, so I may at least try to get a shim in there. I don't know if that's going to work. Yeah, I think I got it in there pretty good. All right, follower. Let's try it. Pin should be up by me. Uh-oh. Okay, we got it. Just had a little click there. It scared me. All right, 5 pins. It's a crazy looking core. Set that key aside. Start dropping some pins here. Looks like standard so far on the key pins. Whoa, that was number 4. And 5. Yep. Looks standard on the key pins. On the core we got, okay, looks like 4 and 5 are threaded, and 1, I'm not sure if that's an undercut on 1. It may be. There's something done to it, but it's not catching my poker. But I can see threads in 4 and 5, so we'll call that. That shim over there. Light up a little bit. Tweezers. Focused. Oh. Alright, see what we got. Because those key pins look standard. We have a spooled, serrated spool, where it's serrated on the ends and, serrated on the ends and spooled in the middle. Spring. 2 is a fully serrated. Three is a spool. Four is a very long serrated and spooled. That looks like a homemade, handcrafted. a different spring in there too. A little trickery going on there, huh? Uh-huh. And 5 is a fully serrated. And a different spring in that one too. Let me check the core right quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing's done up in the top, in the Bible top part. So I'm going to set that aside. Alright, some good light here. That was by the Lock Picking Patrolman. I'm going to put the name of the lock facing up so we can see it good. It's right there. It says Lauren Order Challenge Lock Division, and it's got a number 4 there, so I'm guessing it's number 4. Okay, pins. We're focused. I hope so. Okay, we can run through these pretty quick because the key pins all look standard. So that's that. 5 standard key pins. Set pins or top pins. Got a serrations on both ends of a spool. Number 2 is fully serrated. 3 is a spool. You know what? It looks like it has a... No, that's just the light. Okay, so we got a spool. Number 3 is a... Looks like a homemade. It's got like a serration right here and a wide serration right here. And then 5 is a fully serrated. And the springs, I'd say the first 3 are the same. Got an oddball in number 4 and still yet another oddball in number 5. Alright, so thank you all so much for watching, and Lock Picking Patrolman, thank you so much for the box of goodies and for putting this lock together and getting it out to me. I highly appreciate it. Alright, thank you all. Big Al signing off.